Imagine you're a business owner, juggling a million tasks at once. You've got sales, marketing, customer support, project management. The list goes on. You're drowning in a sea of tools, each one promising to streamline your workflow. But what if there was one tool that could do it all? That's the question we're tackling today. Can ClickUp replace HubSpot? Let's be honest, HubSpot has been the gold standard for CRM and marketing automation for years. But is it still the best option for businesses in 2023? Enter ClickUp, a rising star in the world of project management, boasting a wide range of features and a highly customizable interface. So, can ClickUp truly replace HubSpot? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Core Features. First things first, let's compare the core features of ClickUp and HubSpot. HubSpot is primarily known for its CRM, marketing automation, and sales tools. It offers features like contact management, email marketing, lead scoring, and sales pipelines. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a project management tool at its core. It has features like task management, time tracking, Gantt charts, and collaboration tools. While HubSpot has a broader range of features, ClickUp offers a deep level of customization and flexibility, allowing you to tailor the tool to your specific needs. Section 2. CRM Comparison. One of the key areas where HubSpot excels is its CRM. It offers a robust set of features for managing contacts, leads, and sales pipelines. ClickUp also has a CRM feature, but it's not as comprehensive as HubSpot's. While it can handle basic contact management, it may lack some of the advanced features that HubSpot offers, such as lead scoring and sales analytics. However, ClickUp's integration capabilities can help fill in the gaps. You can connect ClickUp to other CRM tools, such as Salesforce or Zoho CRM, to get the best of both worlds. Section 3. Marketing Automation. Another area where HubSpot shines is marketing automation. It offers a wide range of features for creating and managing email campaigns, landing pages, and workflows. ClickUp's marketing automation features are more limited. While it can handle basic email marketing and workflow automation, it may not be as powerful as HubSpot for complex marketing campaigns. Again, ClickUp's integration capabilities can help. You can connect ClickUp to marketing automation tools like MailChimp or Marketo to supplement its own features. Section 4. Project Management. Where ClickUp truly excels is in project management. It offers a wide range of features for managing tasks, projects, and teams. ClickUp's task management features are top-notch. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track progress. Its Gantt charts and Kanban boards make it easy to visualize and manage your projects. ClickUp also offers powerful collaboration tools, such as comments, mentions, and real-time chat. This makes it easy for teams to work together and stay on track. Section 5. Pricing. Pricing is another important factor to consider when choosing between ClickUp and HubSpot. HubSpot has a freemium plan, but its paid plans can be expensive, especially for larger businesses. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers more affordable pricing plans, even for enterprise-level teams. However, it's important to note that the cost of using ClickUp can vary depending on the features you need and the number of users in your organization. So, can ClickUp replace HubSpot? The answer is, it depends. If you're primarily looking for a project management tool with strong collaboration features, ClickUp is an excellent choice. It offers a deep level of customization and affordability. However, if you need a comprehensive CRM and marketing automation platform, HubSpot may be a better fit. It offers a wider range of features and more advanced capabilities. Ultimately, the best tool for your business will depend on your specific needs and budget. It's worth trying both ClickUp and HubSpot to see which one works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.